The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for Douglas County in east central Nebraska. This includes the city of Omaha, Sarpy County in east central Nebraska, Mills County in southwest Iowa, Potawatomi County in southwest Iowa, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., radar indicated a severe storm with a possible tornado. The most dangerous part of the storm was near Papillion, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a dangerous situation. Act quickly. If you are in the path of this tornado, go below ground level if possible. Otherwise, go to a small interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you are in the path of the tornado, get to a basement, if one is available. Otherwise, go to a small interior room such as a closet.